All right, so we in the markets right now. I see a potential setup lining up right here. I see all my confluences lining up. So I'm just looking at this. I'm looking at this right here, y'all. 9:30 open, and we came out with a lot of bullish displacement, a lot of bullish momentum, right? We came and we broke these swing highs, so we broke structure to the upside. And I do have a bullish bias, right? So we got our breaking structure to the upside. We got our displacement. We ran through London's high, so we do have a valid liquidity sweep or liquidity run. Now I just want to wait and see if we can get a retest on this bullish fair value gap. So I could get in at the macro. I'm gonna wait for the macro to play out. I'm just not gonna jump straight in as soon as I see a touch, unless it's like a good aggressive reaction off of it. But I'm gonna wait for the macro to start. But right now, this is the setup that I see. Um, I don't really want to risk 625 on it just because I know news is coming out. So I may just put like nine contracts on it to only have 550 at risk. I think that's what I'm gonna do. But I want to wait and see how price is going to react to this bullish fair value gap at the macro. But this is the entry that I want. I really want this trade right here just based on the push out of that level that we have. So hopefully price can come retest this on an hour and then continue to shoot up. But I'm not gonna lie, we may not get an entry today. We may not. Let's just see what the macro does for us. But I know I want to get in with like 9 contracts right here at that bullish fair value gap. Where my tea at? Sipping my tea. Where the fuck my glasses went? I guess we traded with no glasses today because I don't know where the fuck they went. But it's like 9:42. Do I want to get an aggressive entry right there, y'all? Or wait for the macro to play out a little bit? We do have 10 o'clock news. I'm gonna try to stay off the 1 minute today, just to avoid extra nerves. What the hell where my glasses go? That's crazy. Let me see where my EMAs at. My EMAs are below. That's gonna be a good thing for me too to go ahead and just get in. Yeah, I like where my EMAs at too. I kind of think I want to get in aggressive on this setup. Let me focus. Fucking glasses. I think I do want to get in aggressive on that setup. Not gonna lie. We at all time highs right now, B. Yeah, let me wait. Price is very, very volatile right now, y'all. Very volatile. Y'all see I'm sweating and shit. Yeah, I want to wait and see what price is gonna do right there. Because price is very volatile right now. Trying to take us a safe little entry on this cool little Tuesday. Okay, we got a bearish fair value gap right there on this 1 minute. Because we at the top of this fair value gap right now. Macro is about to start. How we reacting to this bearish fair value gap? That's a good. What we gonna do right here? Key point. I know our macro is about to start. The only thing stopping me from getting aggressive is this little bearish fair value gap I'm seeing. But I think we'll break above that. I'll get a good entry in at the inversion of this bullish fair value gap. I can do that. I think I want to enter if we get a break of candle after this. If this candle is bullish and we get a break of candle out of that, I probably will try to go for an entry towards the upsides, just assuming that we'll inverse these bearish fair value gaps and get the buy side right here. But another thing I'm thinking is that being that we already took liquidity from London's highs and we're above previous day highs, we may want to come down and take the liquidity from London's lows as well. So I'm really just waiting for a safe entry, honestly. I don't want to just rush, and I'm glad I didn't get in aggressive right there because I can kind of see price is in between a bullish and a bearish fair value gap, and it's not really sure which way I want to go. So let me see what happens right here. We had consequent encroachment of this bullish fair value gap, and we're getting a reaction that I want to see. So now I want to move my entry right here. You know what I mean? I'm still aware of this bearish fair value gap though. My nerves definitely been on 10 today, but I'm not gonna let that fuck with my performance. I'm still gonna work my move, you know. I want to see this candle flip to the upside so I can feel confident getting in because we do have EMA sitting below. And we are at a former level of liquidity support right where that fair value gap is at. So it may even come all the way down here and give us something. Let's just wait. Let's just see. Let's be patient. I see where we at on the 3-minute chart. I see we had a bullish fair value gap. I see we right here at that bearish fair value gap. On some real shit, I really would want to take an entry above this candle and hold because I don't want to trade into a bearish fair value gap. Yeah, market looking like it kind of want to sell off a little bit. So this was the accumulation. It's looking like this is the manipulation, and it's looking like it's about to distribute to the downside. So what I'm gonna do to avoid any unnecessary emotion, I'm gonna wait to see if this 3-minute bullish fair value gap, if this 3-minute bullish fair value gap gets inverse, and then I want to see it get retested, and that's how I will go ahead and switch my bias over to sales. All right, because I can see that this buy that I had that I wanted is not really looking like it's working out for real. But look at how we reacted to this level. So I don't know. I don't know, y'all. We're gonna have to see. Part of me just want to wait until after 10 o'clock to take a trade, quite honestly. But if we break out of the top of this fair value gap again, and we break out of it, I want to go buys because I see we just came all the way down. We tested the consequent encroachment of this liquidity resistance level, and now we're getting a bullish reaction off of it. So, but maybe our draw on liquidity is towards London's lows, being that we haven't gotten there yet. So once I see that bullish fair value gap get inverse, if that happens, I want to see it get retested, and then I'll go short towards the downside. But the macros, we only 3 minutes into the macro, so I still got plenty of time to just wait and see what's going to happen. It's looking like we're about to take the liquidity from London's lows as well. So we inverse the bullish fair value gap. Yep, yep. Just like I expected. So we inversed that. Of course, we came and we took London's lows. This shit happening so fast to the point to where I really didn't get a chance to even get into any move. But that's perfectly fine. Okay. Now we got a liquidity sweep. Now we pivot, y'all. Now we pivot. This live trading. Now we pivot. We can take that off. Now what I see right here is our breaking structure to the downside. But really, we got our market structure shift pivot point right here. Right? Now I can move this. I should have got in that sell right there. It's okay though. I ain't rushing in no move. Now we got bearish displacement right here. I'm gonna wait till after 10 o'clock. Price pretty volatile right now. Bearish displacement. Break a structure. Price is moving, y'all. Ooh, price is moving. Got our break a structure to the downside. We got our bearish displacement. Now I just need a valid break and recess of some type of key level before I find me an entry. Because price didn't pull back at all. It just dropped straight down. I don't think nobody was really ready for that. But I called it though. That was the accumulation. That was the manipulation. This is the distribution, right? Now we got this big ass bearish fair value gap. I can delete this. So this is our new play right now. We got all this bearish displacement, break structure towards the downside. Now we got the liquidity sweep from London right here. And I want to see, are we going to go short? Are we going to go short right here? Is price going to continue to stick all the way down to that low? Or are we just doing a quick liquidity sweep? But price is really volatile right now. So I'm trying to be really careful about how I get into the market. Especially with red folder news coming out at 10. Something's like, let me just wait. Because price moving. And I'm not trying to get caught up in no type of manipulation or no shit like that. I ain't even gonna lie. Okay. I'm seeing we're getting a bearish reaction right here at my level. And that's what's making me want to just get into the trade. Because we rejecting at this fair value gap and we getting below the consequent encroachment of my level. I really kind of want to wait just until after 10 o'clock. Because there's a lot of flim flam shit going on. I'm so glad I didn't just hop into a sell or hop into a buy or nothing like that. I'm not being thirsty. Still being really cool, calm, and collected. Nerves on 10th hour. Not gonna lie. But I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting. Waiting to see what the market is going to give me. I don't like this big ass stop loss, so I'm want to find a better entry than this if I do want to take a sell. But today may be one of those days we trade 10:45. Maybe I don't know. This macro kind of moved a little too fast for me to react. What does the hour chart look like? Okay. We manipulated to the upside. Came all the way back down. Hold on real quick, bro. If we break below this, we may be going short. We in between the demand too. Price really don't know which way it want to go. It really don't know. But if we break below that, I can bet we going short, bro. I ain't gonna lie. We got 5 minutes. Let me just wait, bro. Fuck all this guessing shit. Let me let that motherfucking. If we break below these lows, I'm going short. That's the safest entry. That's the most safest, realistic entry. If we break below these lows, I'm going short, bro. If we break out of the fair value gap again, I'm gonna go short, bro. Let me just wait. I see I'm sweating and shit. I'm all nervous. But yeah, I got my market structure shift point. We already have broke structure to the downside right here. Now we just retesting. We got our displacement. We got everything we need, bro, to feel comfortable and confident about our trade. Motherfucking manipulation and shit. Let me just keep my fruit to the spirit, bro. I gotta keep this shit visible. I gotta get it. I don't mean to curse, but damn, y'all don't get it. Why it should be like that. Let me keep this visible. It's looking like, it's looking like, it don't matter what it's looking like. Fuck. Let me just wait and see. All right, we closed below the EMAs as well. So if we start getting a flip at this consequent encroachment, then I'll be pretty comfortable taking a short. I'm not gonna lie. But what am I risking right now? Damn, 823 is fucking wild. We may only be taking one trade today. Cause I gotta have my stops in a good place. Yeah, we may only be taking one trade. Get below this. I'm gonna go ahead and get in. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. I should wait until after 10 o'clock, huh? Fuck, I'm already in now. So 414 right there. I should have waited until after the 10 o'clock news. Stick with your moves, man. Just fuck with it. Ooh, we got orange and red for the news come out at 10. My God. I'm nervous. Don't get me wrong. I'm nervous that price could potentially come wick all the way up and fill in all these fair value gaps and then continue to shoot to the downside. I'm definitely a little concerned about that. But the only reason why I'm just like, fuck it, I'm just going to go ahead and get in the trade before the 10 o'clock news come out is because I'm hoping that this 10 o'clock news pushes us down towards my liquidity that I'm aiming for, which is at this level, right? I'm definitely feeling some kind of way about price just wicking. Nigga. Nigga, oh my god, I literally just, but I fucking hate Nasdaq, bro. I should have waited. I should have waited, man. I fucking hate Nasdaq. I should have waited, bro. I literally just said that shit, bro. Price would manipulate. I literally just said that shit, bro. Okay, that's my one trade before 10. Now I gotta wait until afterwards, bro. I literally just said that shit. I like literally just said that shit, my nigga. That shit don't get no more trill than that. That shit stung. Cause I just let me just accept it. Fuck, I hate Nasdaq, bro. Why the fuck she gotta play so much? I see this getting inverse, and I want to just hop straight in, but after that bullshit, I'm kind of like irritated right now. So I'm just like, let me take a minute before I get back in the market. That shit. I literally, man, I just said it. I already knew that shit was gonna potentially happen. I don't even want to look at how much I'm down, bro, because I know I'm down like four something. That shit just pissed me off. That shit really just like, what the fuck? I just knew that shit was gonna happen, bro. I don't want to hop in nothing else right this second. I ain't gonna lie. That shit just pissed me off. I should have just waited until after 10 o'clock news for real, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. I should have just waited. I could have avoided that little loss right there if I would have just waited. But I ain't tripping for real, bro. We'll take that one to the chin. We ain't got no choice. What is this 10 o'clock news gonna do? It's looking like it's gonna take it toward the upside. I ain't gonna lie. It looked like we just wanted to come take out the liquidity from London's lows and then continue to push toward the upside. So where the fuck is my new draw on liquidity at now? I still think this sell could work out, honestly. I'm not gonna lie. That shit kind of just paralyzed me, bro. Cause like I just knew that shit was gonna happen, and it literally just happened. Like what the fuck? I literally just called that shit out. Like, huh? I still think this short could work out though. I'm not even gonna hold you. If we break below that shit at that 10 o'clock news, I'm gonna get back in. Cause we still not breaking above that you feel me? Get back in. I'm gonna get back in right there. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. That shit stung though. I ain't gonna cap. That shit just stung. I ain't gonna cap. Like I literally was in the process of talking about that being a possibility, and it happened. I should have just waited until after 10, bro. Like literally 1 minute. I just had to wait 1 minute, literally. I'm gonna get back in myself. I think I still got in too early. I still got in too early, but I'm just. I think the market gonna continue to sell off, bro, because we not closing above this seed. Yeah, we rejecting at this. We rejecting at this level? We're not above this. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. I think we may be coming down here at least. Y'all, that's my trade for the day. I can't. My nerves is bad right now, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I think this all I got left in me for the day. No cap. No cap. Like I know why I'm in this trade, so it's just like, feel me. We are ranging though. That's the only thing we are ranging. I would like to see price go ahead and just drop down. No cap. All right. I think I'm going to just walk away right now because I'm kind of shaking up a little bit. Kind of shaking up. It's some about that first little loss just like shook me a little bit. I ain't gonna cap. It just I'm like infuriated. I'm so fucking upset. Like, cause what the fuck? So in order for me not to sabotage this trade that I think has the potential of giving me a little bit of something, I'm gonna just take a breather and kind of let this trade do what it do. I'm feeling myself get kind of irritated. So I may take a step away. Let me set my targets though. That first one, I just knew that was gonna happen. I called that shit out too, boy. Damn sure did. I don't feel like doing too much today, y'all. I don't. I don't feel like doing too much micromanaging. I'm already accepting mentally that today is just $1,000 day where I took $1,000 loss, and that's okay. And I'm literally just already accepting that, and I'm about to take a step away and just go breathe real quick. Just about to go breathe. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. Damn, I just realized my phone is fucking frozen, so I'm not gonna get any alerts when shit is done or not done. But whatever, bro. Whatever. Whatever. All right, just coming to stop by and check on the trade. Hmm, it's looking like we doing pretty good. Don't want to micromanage it too much. Once we get right here, I may possibly move my stops to break even. I don't know, but it's looking like the trade doing pretty good so far. See, look how we reacting at this demand level. Where are the EMAs at on the hourly chart? Sitting right there below. Okay, that's not a good sign. I'm thinking about getting out of this trade just because I'm already down. I see we at a demand level and we starting to reverse a little bit. Um, I don't want to see this trade. I don't want to see this trade get back above right here, bro. Honestly, because we should be just going ahead and just going towards the downside right now if we're truly going to continue to go towards the downside. So I don't want to see any more upward movement into this fair value gap. I don't. I want to see the trade just drop because it should. But I know we right at this demand level, and I was already bullish for the day. So I'm trying to just accept my fate if it is going to be a loss because it may be. The first loss was so unnecessary. First loss was so unnecessary. Yeah, let me put. I got my stops in a good place. I feel like this is gonna be a bad trade. I'm gonna have to just take my dog for a walk and deal with it today. That's okay. 465. So I'll still be underneath $1,000 loss today if we do hit daily loss limit. So I don't need to trip. I just need to let this shit play out. I probably need to go back outside before I sabotage what could be a good potential trading day. But I'm still accepting mentally that I lost a band already. And yeah, yeah. I see what we got. And the fact that we just not resisting is the fact that we just not pushing down is kind of irritating me. But I know we right here at this demand. At any fair value gaps, any fair. And we are in this little fair value gap. Hmm. But it looked like we've been manipulating, so it's like, I don't know. The only reason why I'm kind of tripping is because I'm already down for something. I know that's the only reason why I'm kind of tripping, and I shouldn't be down that at all, bro. I mean, I should because I didn't just wait until after 10 o'clock, but yeah, yeah, I feel me. Let me just, you know what? Let me put my stops above the manipulation at this somehow, bro, and just call it a day. Let me just do that. Rough trading day, bro. Rough trading day. Rough trading day. Okay. 560. Yeah, we're cooked, y'all. We pretty much cooked. We pretty much cooked. Today we could have lost less if we would have been more patient. Like, it's okay. It's okay. I didn't even see all these bullish for value gaps. We got a lot of internal liquidity to get, though. I mean, it could easily just continue to push toward the downside, but it's looking like it's about to reverse on me. It's definitely looking like it's about to reverse on me. I think I might just close. Come back tomorrow. Yeah, yeah, bro. I got a lot of shit playing against me right now, and we yeah, I got a lot of shit playing against me right now. I think it's time to close this trade. Or do I just take my loss like a G? I'm gonna have to take the loss like a G. Because I was bullish for the day. I should have known this was basically just a liquidity sweep. Let me just let go, bro. Let go of this shit. It's definitely not looking good. It's not looking good at all. 7 more minutes, yo. 7 more minutes. Just 7 more. 7 more minutes of this fucking torture. Then I'm just gonna leave. 6 more minutes. We starting to flip. I want to move my stops down, so we starting to flip. No, let me just leave it where the fuck it's at. That don't mean shit. This is a long ass trade, yo. The last two trading days been kind of tough. I'm not gonna lie. Start of the week been real annoying with price. I'm still pretty proud of my performance though. Yeah, I'm about to close this shit. If we break above this candle, I think I'm just gonna close it, bro. I don't have time for the chop right now. I don't have time for the chop right now, bro. Like last 2 days just been on some chop shit. I don't have time for it. This price may want to come back up here. I ain't got time, bro. I want to scale in. I want to scale in and close my positions, my stops in half, because I feel like we're gonna be straight now. But I'm not gonna actually scale in because my emotions already all over the place, and I'm not trying to make them even more volatile. I want to cut my stops in half about right here though, because with all this weekend reaction, if we break above that, then it's just badass accumulation. I have the EMAs above. We getting a lot of weekend reaction at this fair value gap. We got a lot of internal liquidity below. We got our market structure shift to the downside. We got our displacement. We got our breaking retest at the fair value gap. We are below our liquidity level. We got our market structure shift. I can hold this trade. I can hold it. I just let it ride. I can hold it. I can take this L. I can take this L with grace. Now that first one was so unnecessary because all I had to do was just wait until after 10 o'clock. Or not move my stop loss so tight. You feel me? But it's cool though. We're getting a push down that I want. Yeah, we had our accumulation, we had our manipulation towards the upside, and now we're going to distribute towards the downside. Well, we did distribute towards the downside. I don't know how long we're going to be distributing though. That's the only thing, because we do got sell side right here, sell side right here, sell side right there. So I want to scale in right there at that fair value gap too. I'm not though. We already broke below that. We shouldn't come. We shouldn't have no reason to come back to this one. Not be greedy today. I'm not gonna scale in. I'm not doing no extra shit. I'm just pure trading. It's my second trade. I should be done after this. I shouldn't need no more trades after this. I kind of want to move my stops to break even just because I know I'm already halfway down, but fuck the money. Fuck the money. It's about the decisions I'm making. I think this trade gonna run for a minute. I think this shit gonna take a little minute. I don't really care about the money. I'm gonna put my stops right there at that swing high because I just know price the last few days just been wicking, 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 wicking. Like it's a fucking DJ or some shit. It's 10:20. I don't really have the mental capital to continue to sit through this trade. It's 10:20. My focus is pretty much like gone. So that 471 went down. Ooh, that shit went away quick, my boy. That 400 in. That 400 in. Bullshit. That motherfucker got out of there. I'm not tripping about these last 2 days. These last 2 days, the price action been kind of this motherfucker. It's just been kind of bullshit. So I ain't really tripping. Okay, there we go. It's 10:20 now. My macro is pretty much over with. So at this point, stops are gonna be right here. We already breaking below this. Stops don't need to like we don't if we can go up again, then like bro, I'm not sitting through that bullshit. I'm not sitting through that bullshit if we go up again. I'm gonna cut my stops in half at 15 points. So now if price does choose to come back up, I'm only gonna lose 320. I'll be down 7. That's cool, bro. We shouldn't have no reason to reach. We don't have no reason to retest this deep into that bearish fair value gap after we already manipulated into it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, damn near 10 times, bro. There's no reason for us to go back into it. So me cutting my stops in half right there is a good point, even though price could get all the way up there again and then continue to go down. It's just for my mental capital and my actual physical capital. Um, it's just what's best if I'm being real with myself. This is definitely giving downtrend, downtrend, downtrend. The first loss was completely avoidable. I think that's what just got me like shit. But it's okay though. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, price action is really just bullshitty right now, bro. I know we got a lot of support right here. Just it's looking like price is about to turn around, but I don't know, bro. It's looking like it want to break down some. So I'm trying to just let this shit run. I don't want to see price get up into this too deep above these lows, these swing lows right there. Price the last 2 days been pissing me off. Just gonna put my stops above this liquidity level at this point. Price been pissing me off the last few days. It's so fucking wonky, bro. They gave us like this quick little boost, and now it's just on some bullshit. I'm not gonna close my trade because me trying to avoid ending the day in the red is going in the long term avoid me from having a lot of running trades. Yes, I did start off the day with a losing trade, and yes, I do want to end the day green, and I don't want to end the day in the red. But I think it's a bad habit of me trying to close this trade just right at break even, just so I can not like no. I need to feel what it feel like to have two trades play out and be down the band if that's the case, and be wrong. I need to feel this. I need to feel the nature of this game. So I'm not gonna jump out as soon as I get break even. I'm gonna try to let this trade run for this 1 to 3 that I had it set out for. I may close half the position. Let me stop capping. Nah, actually no, I'm not, bro. But I will move my shit to break even. Now I will do that. I'm not gonna be no complete dumbass. I will do that. I see we got all this internal liquidity to get. I see where we at. So it is making me want to close some of it a little bit. I'm not even gonna hold you. It's definitely making me want to close some of this shit a little bit. But we coming out of this hourly key level. I'm still not even gonna put them in. I'm just gonna put my stops at the CE at this level. We came out of this level with a lot of bearish displacement. We got 1 minute left on this 30-minute candle, so I don't want to see it come down here and then shoot all the way back up. That's what I don't want to see happen. Because I know it's just not going to continue to shoot all the way straight down. I know that for sure. Hell nah. Price ain't got no reason to come all the way back up here, bro. Nah. If it does, then fuck it. Fuck. We had a demand, though. We definitely had a demand. We may just trade back up into this and continue to go down, hopefully. Or should I just end my day break even? Probably should have ended my shit break even. 10:30 is about to give me everything I need to know. After this, I'm gonna close the charts. I could have got out at the 1-to-1, but probably should have got out at the 1-to-1, but I'm not really doing this shit for the money right now, so it's really not that bad. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. I would like to see this continue to drop. Was it my shit? Was my performance today shitty? Not, nah. My performance today wasn't shitty. I kind of got in that other trade a little early, but I don't think I had a shitty performance. I still don't think I had a shitty performance. I probably should have closed while I was in profit on that other trade, but it's all right. Start of the week been kind of slow. Man, this trade taking forever, bro. I'm tired of sitting through this motherfucker. This shit taking too long. So right now I'm seeing we got all these equal highs right here where price has just been consistently resisting at this area. Equal high. We got all of this resistance. So if we can inverse this bullish fair value gap, then I think this trade I can pretty much be a little bit more hands off and just let it run. But still not 100% sure what the market is trying to do right now. The market just been chopping, 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 chopping. Hopefully we can start distributing to the downside some more. I done sat here a long ass time, y'all, managing this trade. I'm not gonna lie. And this shit killing me. I'm about to go smoke the fuck. I'm about to go fucking smoke after this shit. This shit done stressed the nigga out. I can't believe I've been sitting here this long watching this shit. Like, today was one of them damn trading days, boy. Today one of them days, oh God. I see we got all them equal highs right there though, so that's what really kept me in this trade on that 1 minute. So in 2 minutes we got all these equal highs, price. Yeah, I had to really sit through this shit. I wish I would have never got in that first entry so premature because it was really just was a waste of $400. But I thought that 10 o'clock news was gonna take us toward the downside. I did. Now I'm just really thinking about just closing that fucking break even, but we got the momentum we want, so I'm thinking price is gonna continue to go down. But I may just close with something. I may just close out break even, bro. Mm-mm. That shit been stressing me out. This shit been stressing a nigga out, boy. I'm thinking about just closing at this 1-1 and calling that shit a day. Another break even day. I'll come back on Wednesday. So no cap. That's what I'm really, really thinking about. Now that we keep moving out of this area, that's why I'm moving my stocks to break even. Y'all know how I feel about break even. That's why I keep moving them back and forth. So I don't want to see price come back up here. I don't even want to see inverses bearish for like a gap, to be quite honest. We need to push out of these lows with some displacement, bro. It's the macro. I need to see some type of speed and efficiency. I can't believe I've been holding this fucking trade since the first macro session, bro. I cannot believe this shit. Okay, we did get a good push out of this bearish fair value gap. I ain't gonna lie. I may close and just go on my day, nigga. Real shit. I've been sitting at the laptop way too long. should have scaled in. Where is this shit running towards? So I need a realistic target. I'll start scaling out soon. Let me do 50 points. Let me do 50. I know we can get 50. Where is she going? So over here. She could be going over here to these equal lows. I'm in profit like 500 already. My stops. I got my 50 points already too. I had to take something off. I had to. I had to, bro. I had to. I had to make sure I closed the day with some type of, you know what I'm saying, bro. I had to. I just had to be smart right there. I had to be smart right there, bro. I may just close at 500 and end my day off. No bullshit. I had to play it smart today, bro. I had to play it smart today. It's great. I had to scrape the ball today. That's all good. I had to play it smart, bro. I was just down for some. Now I'm up for some. That put me up 3 something for the week. I can't really complain, bro. Can't really complain. I gotta be grateful. Gotta be grateful for where I'm at. Performance today was pretty good. I know why I'm scaling out. I'm scaling out because we at all these equal lows and we starting to reverse a little bit. I don't have any clear draw on liquidity. We hit our 50 points already for the most part, so I'm just playing it safe, bro. And I think I'm gonna actually just wind up closing this bitch altogether. Cause I'm just over it. I'm ready to get off the charts. I'm mentally drained. I'm mentally fucking exhausted. Not gonna lie. That's why I just was like, fuck it. Let me just close some. Be up at least like 500 or something for the week. Either way it go, I'm not. I know I'm not gonna be down in the red for the day, so that's good mentally, of course. Um, yeah, I'm not gonna place no more trades because when I look at my journal today, I wanted to say 3 trades or less. I'm not gonna actually scale in or nothing else. I'm thinking about just going ahead and closing this all together. To be honest, yeah, I think I might just close this shit all together. I'm literally I'm tired of being in the market. I think it's 11 o'clock. It's about to give the craziest push to the upside, which it did. Yeah. I'm so tired of being in the fucking market, bro. Like I'm about to close the charts, gang. I'm ready to get out the charts. I'm so ready to get out the charts, bro. Like I'm dead ass tired of these bitches. And I know the market about to reverse to the upside. Yeah, I'm cool. I'm cool. I'm cool with today. Uh, Today could have been better for sure, but considering the odds that we were, today should have been a better day. Today should have been better. Oh man, kind of want to overtrade right now, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Cause I'm supposed to be up a band on some G shit, but I took a premature entry before the orange and red news, and it caused me to miss out on like $400 in profit. I should be up like seven something. There's a lot of shit I could have did different today, but I'm not in the red. I'm gonna be disciplined. I'm gonna go smoke, and I'll come back and review my shit. We've been on this shit an hour and 22 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna just close, y'all. I'm just close. I'm rattled. I'm pretty much done. Like I don't got too much left in me. So yeah, y'all see right now I'm fighting so hard to not get back in the trade, but I don't really have no business in one, and I really don't even trade the afternoon macro for real, for real. So the fact that I even got something out of that is cool. I made back my losses from my premature entry. I gotta be content with that. I gotta be content with the fact that I didn't break my trading rules. I gotta be content with the fact that I was disciplined. A little bit of something is better than nothing at all. So let me just be content and work on day two of me not breaking my trading habits. Even though I did trade the second macro, I'm not gonna consider that me breaking my rules because I did trade during the macro and it was a setup that I had already had entered before the afternoon macro started. So, do I believe that price will continue to shoot down? Yes. Am I gonna miss out on some money today? Probably so. And I want to jump in right now, but I'm just not because I already did my 3 trades for the day. I should have just held that. with a little bit more confidence. But I'm just ready to get off the charts. It's kind of just been draining me mentally. So fuck y'all. I'm not gonna respect myself if I get in right now. If I jump in this trade right now just to make some money, I'm not gonna have no respect for myself, bro. Real shit. And I know that this is a good setup, but I need to really work on being disciplined. For real. I should have just stayed in my trade. I would have had a little bit more than 360, but that's cool. Bro, I see this shit right now, bro. Nah, I'm about to overtrade, y'all. I'm getting off. I'm closing my laptop. I don't want to overtrade. I don't want to overtrade. I don't want to overtrade today. I'm closing my laptop.